Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video. Guys, today we are bringing about one of the latest models from POCO. Now POCO recently is split up from their parent company and trying to find their own identity. I mean, the split is not literally that they've parted ways, they're part of the same group, but it is trying to find its own footing, its own branding, its own identity. And they have come up with some amazing products in the past which have been a delight for the gamers, and today we have with us the POCO M3. And before we get on to digging into what this product packs for you, what this box packs for you, and I please request you to press the subscribe button and the notification icon if you're watching us on YouTube. If you're watching us on Facebook, the like and follow button there, and on both the channels. Please do share the love by liking, sharing and commenting on the videos. Ask any questions that you might have, share your rawest thoughts and let us know what kind of videos you want to watch, and we'll get straight on to getting those to you. Back to POCO M3, guys. From the packaging of it, yellow, typical POCO yellow color. On the front, it talks about the 6000 mAh battery. That's a monster battery. Simple branding on each side, and that's pretty much it. And the specs here. Look, let's get digging on to finding out what this bad boy packs. And I've got a yellow color cutter as well to do that. There you go. And in there, we're gonna get rid of that. Getting straight on to the box. Now, POCO box, the POCO sleeve box inside there. Let's get to opening it. We got the SIM card tool, some typical paperwork, and the silicone case. We're going to put this all on this side. We don't need that right now. We're going to focus on what do we have here. We have the POCO M3, and the color that we have is the bright yellow. So on the top, it tells you some basic specifications of this product, which we're going to talk about. But let's look at the body of the phone first. Under that is nothing much except for a charger and the USB Type-C cable. We're going to tell you all about it in a minute. So, getting straight on to POCO M3, the phone itself. Box, here you go. Now we're back in business. We're going to get rid of this and we're going to get rid of this. Here you go. So guys, here is the POCO M3. Plastic body, purely. Got a little glass 3 in the front. I'm going to try turning this on and see while we can set it up. We've got the volume toggles and the on-off switch on the side, and also a fingerprint scanner which is mounted on the side itself. On the other side is the SIM card tray, and it has dual SIM plus a dedicated SD card slot. On top we've got the speaker, the audio jack and the IR blaster here, and the receiver and the speaker here, USB Type-C charging, and the receiver here as well. Now, speaker on top, speaker at the bottom. Beautiful sound is expected. So we're gonna get on to setting this up in a bit. But while we talk about it, let me tell you a little bit about it. So Gorilla Glass 3 in the front, plastic back, plastic frame as well. Budget phone, so of course expected. We're gonna get on to the pricing of it as well. 6.53 inches IPS LCD display, 400 nits of brightness, 83.4% screen to body ratio. And then we have Android 10 on MIUI 12, Qualcomm Snapdragon 662, which is 11mm processor, with a CPU which is octa-core, which is 4.2 GHz Cairo 260 Gold and 4 1.8 GHz Cairo 260 Silvers. So that's for the processors, and then the GPU is Adreno 610. So from the processor perspective, not bad specs at all for the price. When I'm going to tell you the price, and when you compare it with the specs that I'm telling you about, you'll be absolutely amazed. Comes in two different variants: 64 GB with 4 GB RAM, 128 GB with 4 GB RAM. The one we're holding is the 128 GB with 4 GB. So let's get on to that. And next, by the time this sets it up, I'm going to leave that, and here you go. So camera is, look at the back. Now you've got a triple camera setup here and a big POCO branding, a very unique style of putting it there. It's got a triple cam, 48 megapixel f1.8 wide angle camera, 2 megapixel f2.4 macro camera, and again 2 megapixel f2.4 depth camera, and it can do videos of 1080p at 30 frames per second. One thing missing is a wide angle camera. Come on guys, you could have just added that small little one there and made the pictures and the videos even more amazing. And in the front, pinhole selfie, 8 megapixel f2.1 wide angle camera, can do videos at 1080p at 30 frames per second. Battery is 6000 mAh with 18 watt fast charging and reverse charging as well. 6000 mAh. Charge it and forget about it for at least 2 to 3 days. This is literally, with the reverse charging, it's a power bank for your other devices probably. So yeah, that's yellow color that we're holding. It also comes in a cool blue and a power black color as well. Now compare all those specs, and now we're going to tell you the price. It's only 499 dirhams. So guys, this is a great entry-level phone at a great price and packs some really decent specs. And I'm going to try setting it up while I'm talking to you. I'm going to skip this part as well. Accept. Let's see how long does that take. Skip this and next. And we're going to go with the classic theme. And yes, and next. And setup is complete. So let's see if it loads the app, and you can see the performance as well a little bit, if we can find some stuff to see, but at least we'll get an idea of how the screen looks like. A great phone at a great price and some decent specs. So for entry level, I think this is a perfect game changer, and it doesn't feel that cheap. It has that sporty, trendy look to it, especially with the yellow color. I've not had the chance to see the blues and the black, but it has that sporty feel to it. It doesn't give you, it's a non-slippery back, no fingerprints at all. Got a decent grip, doesn't weigh big, and has some great specs as well. So while this is taking forever to load the apps, I'm going to say goodbye in the meantime, and I'll put some screenshots of the internals, how the screen looks like. I'm going to put some pictures of that I've taken using all the cameras, the selfie camera and the rear camera, the close-up and everything, so you can see. I'm going to record an audio and play that back probably, or record a short video and play it back, or play on YouTube something. There you go. It's loading up. There we go, guys. So not a bad performance. A little bit of lag. Fingerprint scanner. On our switch is taking a little bit of time to come back. If you notice, there's some small fraction of a second delay onto that, but I think it's good. We can work with that kind of price. So yeah, guys, this is POCO M3, a great phone, great price, and this is your great friend, the great lobbyist. And I'm gonna say goodbye with this. Keep yourself safe. Peace.